Central Park as friends, lie under blue skies, sunshine, a bottle of wine, talk about our daydreams. Hey, it seems we're kind of alike.
Hi guys, it's me Elsa and welcome back to my channel. I have not posted in so long, so here comes the video of the whole week this time. Yeah, so today is Sunday and I have my classes from 8 to 4 today, and from tomorrow I've got my duties in antenatal wards. I got ready, now it's time to leave. Hi guys, so I'm back home. My classes were over at 3:30. It's now 4 I think, and I'm really hungry, so I have ordered some food for myself, some good food. My day was okay. Yeah, there were classes. I received an order from Dada's. I actually ordered two tops, but I only received one. I had paid for two, so I had asked for a refund. So that was a messed up thing about my day, and rest of it was fine. So yeah, I'm waiting for my food to come.
Take my hand.
So I purchased few things today, and here's like a packet of strawberries. I just love strawberries. Like, here's such a good breakfast, and so yeah, I'm gonna eat this tomorrow. And here are some lemons which my friend gave me. I had gone to her room for lunch, and she had like lots of lemons in her room, so she just sent me this. She had
Talk about our daydreams. Hey, it seems we're crossing the line.
The water is so freaking cold. My hands are like frozen. It's not like we don't have a hot water supply, but it comes so late, like right after I end washing all the utensils, cleaning them up, it just comes out like after I finish. Okay, so my food is here. I can't wait to have it. Momo ko chol. This is achar. Here is the sausage. This is sabali. Here's my momo. Oh my god, I'm drooling. I just ordered half plate because yeah, I'm trying to lose some weight. Such a hypocrite. So I'm done with eating. So I have my first internals starting from this Sunday. Like, we'll have like an exam every Sunday for 5 weeks. So I'm gonna start studying now, but I'm too lazy to just be in the chair and study, so I'm just like trying to do it in bed. I'm so guilty, but my periods are near, and I have this extreme craving to eat things, and I just craved brownie and ice cream out of nowhere, so girl decided to order it. right after eating so much food. You guys saw. I just wanted something for dessert, so I ordered a brownie and an ice cream. And it's so cold outside. I don't know why I'm craving ice cream out of nowhere. So I just got call from the delivery guy that my brownie and ice cream is here. Yay! It's literally so cold right now. I have decided not to study and just sleep. It's 9 p.m. I think I'll wake up tomorrow and study. I also have duties starting tomorrow. So yeah, good night. Guys, so I woke up super late. It's already 6:30. I slept so early and I woke up so late. Here's my pimple. But whenever I try to make a video, it just pops out of nowhere. So I'm gonna drink a glass of warm water with honey and gonna start studying now.
Take my hand, we're gonna go to Central Park as friends. Lie under blue skies, sunshine, a bottle of wine. Talk about our daydreams, hey, it seems we're kind of alike. Wave our hands at every single...
I'm done with the study and it's already 8, so I'm gonna have to prepare breakfast because I have my posting since 9 and it's also the first posting of our third year, so I have to reach on time today. For breakfast, I have decided to have some strawberries, apples, and some cereals.
Airplane in the sky, under blue skies, sunshine, a bottle of wine. Talk about our daydreams, hey, it seems we're crossing the line. Hey, how have you been? We're on our way to Central Park again. Lie under blue skies, sunshine, a bottle of wine. Talk about our daydreams, hey, it seems your hands on my thighs. Wait, is this right? 'Cause I'm so in love with you, and I'm not sure if you feel the same. Maybe Central Park.
Okay, so it's 8:45 already and I have to be quick now.
Show the way.
That's where I have to reach. So freaking cold, I have to walk like this.
Time with you, it ain't forever. So I try to move a little faster. What's to lose? So before we fade away, let go of your worries, drop everything in a hurry. Let's go to sleep.
Okay, so I'm returning to my room. So I'm back home and I have brought some karikuras. I went shopping today, like the break time mache. So I have brought myself some things. But they all got better. There's like apples. With the half kg with the apples. And then I got a packet of Lay's. This is my favorite flavor, and obviously what carrying. And then I got this talo. I got this talo for 25 rupees. So I just bought them, And this is what I look at. Pain. And I also got 2 of the dish bars. These are Patanjali, smells very nice. So yeah, that's all what I got today. Okay, so I'm done with washing dishes and It's high time to start studying. I have exams this Sunday. I don't know why I'm taking it so lightly. I have no idea like यो subject को बारेमा राम्रोसँग थाहा पनि छैन धेरै, but I need to study. Hi guys, good morning. It's Tuesday and I slept for over 12 hours. I have no idea what's going on with me. I have exams, but I'm sleeping so much. It's winter, so सिरेक छोड्ने मन लाग्दैन. And also we have no electricity since yesterday night. अनि अहिलेसम्म आएको छैन. Talk about what kind of rural area do I live in Dulikel. So yeah, so बत्ती अहिलेसम्म आएको पनि छैन. I can do nothing. I can't even boil water since I'm induction. We don't have like gas stove. So yeah, so I chose to just stay in my bed and maybe read some slides. Yeah, and I'll go to duty in Marvel.
Let's go to San.
So finally, after a day, batti aayo. Now I'm gonna brush my teeth and then go.
Let's go to Central Park. You'll break my heart, girl. You're so bad for me. Let's go to Central Park. You'll break my heart, girl. You're so bad for me. Saw your silhouette in the backlight. Swear we could have met in a past life. Treating every night like the last time. So I end all my days with you. Yeah, we should share a backseat in a taxi to get home. No need for either of us at this point to sleep alone. 'Cause I don't like ending my days with you. You can waste my time if that's what you wanna do. Oh, I don't mind if all that you say is not true. No, I don't mind. I just wanna end all my days with you. If I'm being honest, baby, I don't really care what this is. 'Cause I've been feeling all this lately. Kinda wishing that a heart just didn't exist. I've been picking up the pieces of the things that you do.
मेरो ड्युटी चाहिँ 8:30 बजेबाट हो, but it's already 8:30 and I'm running so late.
From your point of view, never told you that I need you 'cause I thought that you knew that I don't mind ending my days with you. Can waste my time if that's what you wanna do. Oh, I don't mind if all that you say is not true. Oh, I don't mind. I just wanna end all my days, end all my.
Hi, good morning. So म चाहिँ खाना बनाउन आँटेको किनकि मैले कति बाहिर मात्र खाएँ यो हप्ता. So I'm gonna cook on my own. अनि म त 9 बजे नै खाएर जाने छु आज. Because I'm so hungry. I don't think a breakfast will fix me.
End all my days with you. Saw your silhouette in the backlight. Swear we could have met in a past life. Treating every night like the last time. So I end all my days with you. say get rich so I can buy all that I want, but I've got all the smiles that I need. They say get famous so everyone will know me, but that sounds like a movie I don't wanna see. They say get smart so I can solve any problem, as if they'll all go away. They say go hard, but I'm a softie deep inside, and I don't feel like hiding anymore.
Hey guys, so म चाहिँ कन्भोकेसनमा जान आँटेको KU को. Since we're volunteers and we were needed there 6 to 6 नै आज 6 AM to 6 PM. Our exams got postponed for the next week, so राम्रै भयो. I had not studied the thing, so yeah, we are going अहिले.
They say be nice, but I'd rather be kind and be there for those who are in need. They say you gotta think twice. Maybe we should think a little more about how we treat the world that we call home. They say settle down, but I ain't one for settling, so I'll just keep on chasing my dreams. They say grow up as if it's a given, but I ain't taking those pills anymore. No. Got a joy that's overflowing. They say don't give it away, but I'll do it anyway. They say get real, but when the truth
Ryan Little.